Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to reset Steam games or erase game data. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Steam app and log in to your account. In the upper left corner, click on the Steam menu to access the launcher settings. In the settings, navigate to the Cloud tab and disable the Steam Cloud option. This prevents Steam from syncing your save data from the cloud, allowing you to reset the game data on your local machine. Once you've disabled Steam Cloud, close the settings and head to your Steam library. Locate the game you want to reset. Right-click on it and select Properties in the window that opens. Go to the Install Files tab on the left side panel, then click Browse. This action will open the folder where the game's files are stored on your PC. In this directory, look for a folder named Saves or something similar like save.in. The exact name can vary depending on the game. Deleting the files in this folder will erase your saved game data, effectively resetting the game. If this method doesn't work, there is an alternative approach. Open your web browser and go to the Steam page for your game. In the URL bar, you'll see a number associated with the game. This is its Steam ID. Copy this number to your clipboard. Next, open File Explorer on your PC. Navigate to the drive where you install your Steam games, typically found under Program File Steam User Data. Each user has a unique folder here, so open the one that matches your Steam account. Inside, locate the folder that matches the game's Steam ID number you copied earlier. Open this folder and delete any files you find inside. This will reset the game's data. So that's basically how you can reset Steam games or erase game data. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.